It is it is summer weather and it is very hot. Okay, it
Mhm.
seems very hot.
If I talk about my side, it's really very hot. And I think you also know Rajasthan in summer season very hot.
Okay, okay. So
Yes.
you are Rajasthan.
Yes. Okay. First, I think we should introduce ourselves. After that, we should do conversation. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Okay. I'm Tanya and I'm connecting with you from Jaipur city. And I'm a housewife. I have done my post graduation from Meerut University. That's all about me. Now it's your
okay.
turn.
Thank you so much having me this opportunity. My name is Vinod. I am from Madhya Pradesh, India. I am working job. That's all about me.
Okay. Do you also working?
Yes, yes, I am working job.
Okay.
Better. I, I am working in private sector.
Okay. You are working in a private sector.
Yes, yes,
I think we have talked earlier 2 or 3 times. Am I right?
yes, yes, yes. We
Mm-hmm.
have talked two times. Now it's
Mm-hmm. I think it's our third conversation.
yes, yes, yes. Was
Hmm. Okay. So how's your practice going?
my practice is going on very good. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
you can see me. Uh, uh, so this language is improving day by day.
Mm-hmm. How many sessions have you taken?
I have taken more than 20 sessions.
20 sessions.
Yes,
Now you are feeling there are some improvement in your speaking skills or not?
yes, yes. I told you this language is improving day by day.
Hmm. Yes. Any extra efforts you are doing for learning English?
I am not doing anything. Mm,
Mm-hmm.
I am doing like I watch video, I
Mm-hmm.
listen a story, okay, and I
Mm-hmm.
listen so and sometime I make session. This type of session I make.
Okay. You are saying sometime you are listening some stories and you
Yes,
are making some sessions also.
yes.
Okay. Any app you are also using? Like so there are so many apps where you can make a call and you can talk with your call learners. Are you also using any app?
I I am using S fluency application, and they are
Mm-hmm.
giving 25 minutes.
45 minutes,
25 S fluency.
25 minutes.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
25, and it's free, and we can talk a good learner.
Mm-hmm. In a whole day, you can try only 25 minutes on that app.
Whole whole day we can talk 25 minutes.
25 minutes. And if you want talk more and more, then you should take a, I think, subscription.
Yes, yes. Then we have to take subscription.
Yes. Okay.
So which
And
application
today,
are
hmm,
you using? Which application are you using to talk?
earlier I was using some apps, but nowadays I'm very busy, so I'm not using any app. But sometime, yes, there is a app, Shivi. 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 They are giving, I think, 30 or 35 minutes. Sometimes I forget because nowadays I'm not habitual of this app. So I don't know how many minutes they are giving, 30 or 35 minutes. After that, yes, they also,
It's a free.
demanding some amount of
CV.
money.
I think a CV it's a free application.
Yes, Speakify. If you go in the Google, then you can search Speakify and you can say short form name is Shivi.
Yes. So, do you want to talk foreign people?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Do you want to talk foreign people
No,
in
on
English?
that app you can just talk to the some Indian person. They are not native persons. You can say they are not foreigners. If you want to talk foreigner person, then I think Cambly is a good app. Yes,
No, no.
Cambly is a good app.
Camly is Camly application is more costly.
No, no,
I have free
you
application.
are saying like on that app we can also talk to the foreign person. So no, on Speakify you can't talk. On that app they all are I think Indians.
No, mm, I am saying please download Hello Talk application
Mm-hmm.
after you enter that room and you can talk video and you can talk voice and
Mm-hmm.
there are there are a lots of foreigner available like
Mm-hmm.
Australia, Canada,
Mm-hmm.
China, and
Have you ever tried Hello Talk app? I think Hello app.
yes, I have that application. Uh, uh,
Mm-hmm.
I talk some people. I talk to
Mm-hmm.
some foreigner people.
Mm-hmm. I think on that app they are creating a room. After
Yes,
that, I think we can talk.
yes. Can, uh, so mm, someone has room. Okay. After we enter that room, after that we can talk.
Mm-hmm.
There there are 5 to 10 people available. After that we can talk 10 people.
Mm-hmm. I think nowadays you are using Hello app.
I am using Hello Talk application. Yes.
Hello Talk.
You should download that application uh,
Mm-hmm.
if you mm, if
Mm-hmm.
you like.
If you want to talk like some foreign person, okay, native
Yes,
person. Yes, but I think it will take. I think I'm not free. Most of the time, I'm very busy in my some household chores, and I have a daughter also. And I think within 20 days, I think after 20 days, summer breaks will start. So yes, so there are lots of work.
so have you have you ever visited Jaipur?
Jaipur?
Have you ever visited Jaipur? Jaipur, I am saying.
Yes, I have visited all the palaces of Jaipur, all the monuments of Jaipur. Yes,
Okay, so please tell me about Jaipur. I want to visit Jaipur. I have visited Jaipur. I have
mm-hmm.
visited Jaipur ago 2016. I have visited some museum like Hawa Mahal. Okay.
Hawa Mahal is not a museum. Hawa Mahal is a I think palace, and museum is Albert Hall.
Yes,
Albert.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I forgot, but I have visited 2, 3 museum and place. I don't know. Uh, it is called museum or is it?
Museum is that particular place where there are so many things are kept, like mummies. In Albert Museum, there is a mummy also. Mummy, do you know what is mummy?
I don't know.
Mummy, you can say it is a dead body and it is, covered with some kind of, you can say, in Hindi, lap.
Okay.
After that, they had preserved that body and it is called mummy. and you can see this mummy in Albert Hall. Yes, that type of thing called mummy.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
I have watched on movie.
Hmm. Mummy's return, I think.
Yes, yes, yes. I have
Yes.
watched some movie.
And you know that museum is famous for its mummy.
Okay.
Yes, I have also watched that mummy.
So, what is your favorite food in Jaipur?
My favorite food uh, in Jaipur. In Jaipur, there are so many eatable things. And you know, traditional eatable thing is dal bati churma, but every time we can't eat. So most of the time in the summer season, I'm taking just a simple food, chapati, chach, and simple vegetables. You can say that's it, and salad.
So, Jaipur people, which food do they like?
They like mostly dal bati churma, but you know, every time I think they are not eating this kind of thing. On a
Yes,
special occasion, they
we,
are just cook these things
we
and they
cannot take.
enjoying.
Yes, yes, you are saying right. We cannot take same food daily.
Yes. And if we talk daily life, they just eating chapatis, chach, simple sabzis. You can say, yeah,
Yes, yes.
that is enough. And you know, in summer season, I think in every state they are taking light food, not so much spicy food.
Yes, yes. Summer season they are taking, mm, but all state, all
Mm-hmm.
state like MP, UP, Rajasthan, so they like to eat chapati. Okay.
Mm.
If I
Mm.
talk about Kerala, Tamil Nadu,
Mm-hmm.
Karnataka, Kolkata, so they like to eat rice.
Mm. Because the climate is suitable for rice production. That is the reason. And you know, in Rajasthan, some parts I think I don't know. They are, you know, most of the eating bajre ki roti.
Yes,
Yes. And Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, they are, just for food, they are consuming wheat flour.
yes, yes.
Yes.
With
That is the basic difference from Rajasthan and other states. But
yes,
nowadays, I think Rajasthani people also consuming wheat flour because
yes.
every time nobody want eat same chapati. That is the reason. Yes. Okay, tell me something about your city.
If I talk about my city, there are there are a lots of place. There are a lots of hospital. There are a lots of company.
Mm-hmm.
If
Mm-hmm.
we want to study, and we can do study. If we want to do engineer, doctor, if we want a job, so we can get easily. Uh, be- uh, because it because
Mm-hmm.
this city provide all facility.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Mm-hmm. I think in Madhya Pradesh, the language is Bagheli.
they there are a lots of language.
Mm-hmm.
It is not language. It is called
Mm-hmm.
Boli. Boli.
Boli.
Bagheli. It is
Boli.
Boli. Yes, yes, it is
Boli.
called.
Okay. Hmm. And
It
you
is
know, in
not.
Madhya Pradesh, there is a place, Ujjain. And there is a
Yes, yes.
famous temple, Ujjain Mahakal Mandir.
Have you ever visit Mahakal temple?
No, but I have seen so many reels. That temple now, I think we can't take inside pictures of that temple. It is prohibited nowadays. I think totally ban. You can say you can take picture from outside, but where there the I think pod is kept there, you where you can take up you can't take a picture. I think it's a good decision.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. And
So.
if we go Mahakal temple and a Mahakal temple, so they mm,
Mhm. You can take picture from outside. You can't take picture in. You can't take inside picture.
in front of picture we cannot take in front of picture.
Where the god is, located, there
Okay.
you can't take picture.
Okay.
This is the new rules of Mahakal Mandir.
Okay.
But I think it's good decision because so many persons are going just for making reels and they are just doing their shooting work. I think it's a good decision.
Yes, yes, you are saying right, but I live I live in Bhopal and nearby Ujjain. Ujjain is 150 kilometer only. I have
Mm-hmm.
visited sometime. I have
Mm-hmm.
visited land, but I don't.
Mm-hmm.
This rule is apply or not. I don't.
Yeah, this is the new rules. Like if you are planning to go and you can take picture from outside, but you can't take picture inside where the god is, situated. You can't take picture.
Okay, so we should wrap up the call.
Yes.